Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we are looking at a paper trending on X, published on December 11, 2025, about 6 days ago. It shows that you can retrofit a full-attention large language model with sliding window attention at inference time, keep roughly 90% of the long context performance, and still get up to 100% faster generation on very long inputs. The paper is titled Sliding Window Attention Adaptation. And as we will see later, the recipes it proposes for mixing full attention and sliding windows have big implications for scaling long context models efficiently. Also, the author shared an implementation on GitHub. There you'll find the core SWAA patch code for transformers and VLLM, ready to run examples for HF and VLLM server, configs for sliding window settings, plus scripts for evaluation, long context fine-tuning, efficiency benchmarking, and a baseline light transfer comparison with accompanying datasets. So the introduction set up the goal of keeping long context ability while speeding things up, and Figure 1 shows how the attention patterns get changed to do that. The left panel illustrates FAD code, where green sliding window attention is used during pre-filling, but blue full attention returns for all generated tokens. The right panel illustrates Keep First K tokens, where every new token sees both its local sliding window and a persistent block of early sync tokens. Together, these masks explain how the method saves compute yet preserves a few globally visible anchors for reasoning. Table 1 now turns those masking ideas into numbers. The table shows that naive sliding window attention with a 2K or even 8K window slashes accuracy for both thinking and non-thinking QN models, dropping from about 73% to well under 20%. Single tricks like keeping first tokens or interleaving layers help, but they fall far short of the full attention baseline. The strongest rows combine full attention decode, interleaving, and keep first, which let the thinking model climb back to around 71 to 73%, nearly matching full attention while still using sliding windows. The previous table compared different masking tricks without extra training, and Table 2 adds supervised fine-tuning into the picture. The top rows show that fine-tuning the full attention model reaches about 75% thinking accuracy, while fine-tuning with naive sliding windows collapses to below 20%. Middle rows indicate that either full attention decode or interleaving layers alone recovers much of that loss. The bottom block shows the best recipe, which combines full attention decode, interleaving, and sometimes keep first. And this reaches about 73% thinking accuracy and above 60% for the non-thinking model. Alright, Figure 2 turns those fine-tuning results into a speed versus accuracy frontier. The overall figure plots accuracy on the vertical axis against average time per request on the horizontal axis, with a dashed line marking the trade-off between full attention and naive sliding windows. The left panel shows that several thinking configurations sit well above that line, so they achieve both higher accuracy and lower latency. The right panel shows fewer, but still notable wins for the non-thinking instruct model. The circular markers for supervised fine-tuning consistently dominate the square markers, which indicates that sliding window-aware fine-tuning is crucial for the best performance efficiency balance. Well, Figure 2 focused on the 4 billion parameter models, and Table 4 shows that the same story holds for the larger QN 330 billion variants. The top block without supervised fine-tuning reports near zero accuracy for naive sliding windows, but full attention decode plus interleaving layers lifts thinking accuracy to about 75%. The bottom block with supervised fine-tuning pushes the best recipe to nearly 80% thinking accuracy and around 68% for the instruct model, so the adaptation scales very well to bigger models. Alright, the previous table focused on accuracy scaling, and Table 9 shifts to pure efficiency. This table reports how different sliding window recipes affect time to first token, per token decoding time, and overall throughput on versus LLM. Pure sliding window with a 2K window reaches around 31,000 tokens per second, while full attention lags near 4,000. Adding full attention decode or interleaving layers roughly halves throughput, especially when half the layers keep full attention. Sliding window attention adaptation shows that long context speedups do not require retraining from scratch. With the right mix of sliding windows, full attention decode, and light fine-tuning, models keep most of their memory while nearly doubling throughput. This makes practical, scalable, long-context assistance much more realistic. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.